Come and take my bag, please. Sorry. When you finish admiring your tummy, please, madam, put off the light.
Is that all you can say?
What else do you want me to say? Please, I've had a very busy day. All I want to do now is just sleep. Please.
Look now, the baby is moving. Hey, you can feel it. Alfred, please, come on, come and feel it. It is your baby. Is it not?
I don't have any desire to feel any crawling or shifting, baby. Please allow me to sleep.
Okay. If that is how you feel. But this is my night too. I did not come in here just to lie beside you and watch you sleep. Alfred.
Oh, leave me now. You want me to make love to you carrying a 9-month-old pregnancy?
Does the fact that I'm pregnant stop me from having feelings?
Something is wrong with you.
And you're a bushman.
Let me.
I'll rape you. Alfred, I'll rape you. I'll rape you.
Wait. What's the meaning of this? See, Kitchen. See, it's not healthy making love to a woman who is as pregnant as you are. We could damage the baby.
And who made you a gynecologist? Listen, the doctor said that it is perfectly healthy.
See, the doctor's wife has never been pregnant before. All he knows how to do is poke around other people's wives and put wrong ideas in their head.
And all the ideas right inside my head now are the right ones. Come now. Let me show you what a pregnant woman can do.
I have Alfred,
just come. Let me show you what the pregnant Nkechi can do. Alfred, come now. Alfred, come now. Alfred,
Why?
please.
Why? I love you, baby.
I love you.
Please.
One day, you got young people.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's good. My husband. Yeah.
I am not hearing what you're saying.
Shola, baby. Oh, no bad.
baby?
Auntie Shola, the baby is coming, brother.
Shola is in labor. Listen, baby. Let me take her to the hospital.
And where do you think you're going to?
Did you hear that Shola is in labor?
It is this night that you and your Shola have chosen to be in labor. My night?
Don't be stupid, for God's sake.
And what about me? Am I not also pregnant?
But you are not yet in labor. Yeah? See, Ekaite is at home. She will take care of you, okay? Just try and pray for her. Try and pray for Shola, please.
Pray? Pray for who?
Try and pray for Shola, please.
Was I there when you were making the baby?
Please, please.
Hey.
Beautiful girl, see, please, let me go and take her to the hospital, okay?
No! Le photo shabaji. Wanye pagaye. Garacha badangata.
Please, be fast, before she deliver this thing here.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my beloved. How?
Bitch. Alfred. Ano. Ewu. Ozu. Ala kurula shala. Ewu. Chineke ma. Oma yemege. Awa gini chibo. Yati me. Auntie. Ekaite. Ekaite.
Alfred. Alfred. Doctor. How is she?
Sit down.
How is she?
She's alright, but there's a little complication.
Complication? What complication?
Breached birth.
I don't understand.
The child is not coming out with a head As is usual, but with the legs.
Abasembong. That is always my own case. All my things always turn upside down.
It's alright. We can get out the baby, but it will have to be through CS.
What's CS?
Cesarean section.
Cesarean?
We have to cut her to bring out the baby. Actually, it's the safest way to deliver. But you have to sign 1 or 2 papers for me. Follow me.
The baby is coming. The baby is coming. What do I do? The baby is... Take my phone. Call out your brother. Your stupid brother.
Sit down.
Yes.
Brother, Auntie Kechi, the baby. Auntie Kechi is in labor.
What is it?
Alfred, what is the problem? Huh?
My wife has gone into labor.
Of course. Your wife is in labor.
Not Shola and Kechi.
Oh, alright. Your second wife.
First wife. I married Shola because they told me that Kechi is not going to bear children. Unfortunately, both of them got pregnant at the same time.
Fortunately, Alfred. Fortunately. Children are a blessing from God. If your wife is in labor, I mean, you should try and do something about it.
Hello? Ekaete? Yeah, just put her in a taxi and bring her here immediately.
Auntie, he said we should come with taxi. But this time of the night, give me that one. No. Alfred! I said, go punish you. Get him now. So, it is that your salon that is good to take to the hospital with your car, Oh, me, Kechi, to come down with a common taxi. Oh, Alfred! I was there when you married that girl, If I don't see you here in the next 10 minutes, oh God! I will deliver this baby in the toilet. Then wait for that.
What is it again?
Doctor, please, you have my permission. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let me go and bring her.
Alright, let me handle this thing.
Nurse, please. I have a woman, a pregnant woman in my car. Please, come and help me, please. Please, she's in labor. Please.
Is that not the man we just took his wife into here? See me again. Ha.
Shut up.
Did you force you to open your leg for me?
You're now with him,
Madam.
Where's it? Hello, Fred.
Madam. Do you realize your condition? Sit down.
Hello, Fred.
Madam.
Alfred. Are you Mr. Alfred?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Dr. Godsby said I should handle this.
Please.
No?
Yes, doctor.
Take her into the delivery room too. I'll be right there.
All right, doctor. Easy.
Alfred! Don't worry. She will be all right. Okay?
told you everything will be alright. In fact, you have a strong woman in there. We didn't even have to go through the CS anymore. She delivered normally.
Oh! My father, thank you very much. Thank you, Lord. How is she and the baby?
Yeah. Babies.
Yeah?
Babies, Alfred. Congratulations. Your wife just gave you a set of twins. Boys.
Hey, fine.
Oh, doctor, you're here. Good evening, sir.
You
can't believe this.
believe what?
You did a scan on Mr. Alfred's wife.
Yes.
I saw it, but it wasn't one as the scan showed, but two.
Two.
Congratulations, Mr. Alfred. Your wife just gave you a set of twins. Boys.
Fred. Don't worry. You'll recover.
Did I say anything wrong?
No, you didn't, my dear. His wife number 2 just delivered a set of twins. Boys.
Oh, Lord, no.
Anyway, when he fully recovers, bring him to my office.
Okay, Doctor.
How are the children doing?
Oh, they're just fine. I've not seen a header set like that before.
Okay.
He must be a strong man.
For where?
God loves you. For the kids. Don't worry, it's gonna be okay, okay? Pull yourself together. It's gonna be alright.
Where does one start?
Clothes. I've been buying girl things in this house.
Me too.
And this time around, I am not going to Yaba again. I am heading for mother care.
Mother what?
Mother, let me.
To buy clothes for 4 babies?
Yes. Are they not your children? Look, if you think my babies will wear okreka, you are joking.
Don't mind him. When he was disturbing somebody every night, didn't he know the consequences?
Please.
Alfred, how do you want her to carry both babies? Eh? Let me just tell you, this is not the case of I am a man in this house. You will have done your part.
I think I've done my part by making the babies. The rest is for you to do. Yes.
So what is this? Division of labor. Oh, Timon Konkon.
Look at him. He makes the babies. We carry them for 9 months. And also train them.
Don't mind him.
You can say whatever you like. If you don't mind, I have some jobs to do.
Brother, did you see here before?
Yes. You can wash it.
What about the money for the baby's clothes?
You have not said how much you need.
100,000 naira.
100 what?
100,000. Do you know how much a diaper cost?
Forget it. Forget it. Have you considered handing the children over to the government?
Alfred.
Yes.
Did the government make the babies for you?
Mama,
answer me!
Oh, Mom,
Please wait. Don't start this morning, please. We continue the discussion when I come back from the office.
government. Oh, Timon Konkon. Why do you have me by Lenny? Ma fún mi lówó. Wá gbà. Bí amoro en ṣe ni. Ala ko do ji. Gbo.
Anoman. Apondi umoro mu gafa.
Government.
Oliji omo gefa.
Ibo ni boy yìí gbà lọ ọmọ yìí tí ò ń gbọ́rọ̀ yìí. Yẹ kí ni? Ọmọ Igbo tó dà. Gbogbo yín Igbo kankan ni yín jàre. Lẹ. Where are you coming from?
Hey, Mama, how are you now?
We are fine. Okay. And what breeze have blown you to this place today?
Oh yes, the wind of good news, Mama.
Yes. Good news.
Yeah.
What is the good news now?
Mama, it's not what we stay standing.
We are one. I'm ready. How are you going to that? I'm here to me. You are welcome. Come inside. I'm ready. Joko said, sit down. You said you wanted to tell me something.
Shola has given birth.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm ready. Shola.
Yes, a day before yesterday, she gave birth to twins.
Twins?
Yes.
Image?
2 boys.
Hey! Ayami Yoja. Oh, Ayami Yoja láti bíbèjì yo. Epunde wa unde o. Epunde wa unde o. Epunde wa unde. Ọlọ́run mo dúpẹ́. Ọba mímọ́ kábíyèsí. Arabata aribiti ramata. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣọlá ọmọ mi bímọ. Lálàáfíà. Mo dúpẹ́ gan.
I said I should come and let you know. She needs somebody that will be with her to take care of the baby.
Immediately. Jamalo.
Let's
go.
I want to go to...
Alfred, didn't I tell you? When you came to ask for my daughter hand in marriage, I told you she was very fertile. Very fertile. I told you that Shola will give you plenty children. Joko, Amada.
Alfred, you say you won't speaking, Alfred, but instead, our children you come get.
How are you?
And welcome.
What brings you all the way from Lagos?
Good news, good news.
It must be serious.
Yes.
How is my daughter?
It's because of her.
Is it alright?
No problem. Everything's alright. She has delivered, yes.
Delivered?
She has delivered.
No. Delivered?
Twins. 2 boys.
Ejima?
1 time.
Ejima?
Yes.
God. Hey! God! They said I will never be a grandmother.
It's a lie.
They said Nkechi, my daughter, will never give birth to a child. Shame, where are you? Shame, where are you? Hey! Alfred, may God bless you. Alfred, may God bless you.
God has embarrassed me with this, with a lot of blessings. I mean, what other blessings am I looking for?
In fact, this is the best thing God has done since the death of my husband.
Mama, she will need somebody to take care of her and the baby.
Immediately. In fact, come in and rest your leg while I put things together so that we'll start going.
Excuse me. No. It's a long journey. We don't have to go now. Yes. Get everything prepared. Tomorrow morning we go. Yes.
Hey, Alfred, welcome.
How can God give me this kind of blessing at this kind of time?
Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred, but instead, my children you come get, Alfred, and not be 1, and not be 2, and not be 3, now 4 you come get all at once, and not be 1 day, and not be 2, not be 3, now 4 you get. Congratulations.
Madam, how much is this?
How much is it? How much? Hello, Nino.
It's 200 naira.
Hello, Walufe. How much do you want?
We said 400 naira.
You want Pelutani? You said 400 naira. I said I was going to give you 200 and I've given you 200.
Madam, we said 400 and you agreed on 400 naira. Oh, you want to cheat me this morning, Abi?
May Sokpo not pluck out your eyes from the socket and give you to eat. I should give you 400 naira. Allah Kori. If you don't want the money, go to the junction give the money to that beggar.
Shola mi o. Shola mi o.
Alfred, you say you want to be king, Alfred, but instead, my children, you come get.
Yes, I'm coming.
And not be one, and not be two, and not be three. Now four, you come get to. And not be one, and not be two, not be three. Now four, you get. Congratulations.
Where is Yabeji?
Mama, I don't understand that language.
You don't understand the language. The language is simply Yoruba. And it means, where is the mother of twins? My daughter. A woman that is really a woman.
Okay, Mama. Shola!
Kendi.
Shola! Your mother is here. Mama, those babies are not your daughters. They are mine.
What is that?
Mama, they are my babies.
Shola, baby. Let Jerry, my dear. Shola, why are you looking very skinny?
Mommy, me is skinny.
Oh, sure. Are they not feeding you? Okay, there's no problem. I am here. I am here to take very good care of you.
Mommy, what did you say?
Listen, Jerry, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is this I'm hearing about the baby's not being yours?
I want my Kechilele. And she gave birth to twins too.
What rubbish. You nonsense one in here? I'm afraid you're there suffering me now.
Mommy,
He told me that you gave birth to twins, that's all.
Mommy, my babies are inside. I want to Kechilele. I didn't know much that I feel you would.
Now we know that every woman is a complete woman.
Mommy,
show!
Mystery that is taking place here. What have you having?
Alfred, you say you want to be king, Alfred, but instead, my children, you don't get Alfred. You want, and not be two, and not be three. Now four, you come get to, and not be one.
Before you do anything, go inside. Look inside my bag. You will see a safety pin inside. Bring it for me. I don't understand this. There is no place here that one can tie this modern kindergarten pay.
Mama, let me help you. Mama, these are not nappies. They are pampers. You don't tie them. Let me show you.
You want to help me? Listen, I have one as big as you are. And I know you were not there to help me tie a napping when I had that. Fair plan. Wow. Ikechi, you are insulting me.
Oh, Mama. Mama, how would you know what is an insult in Igbo? You don't understand the language.
Because I don't understand Igbo. You think I would not understand an insult when I hear one? Nkechi, it is your mother that you are insulting.
Mama, my mother does not come into this. She has not done anything to you.
I don't blame you. Nkechi, I don't blame you. Why won't you have mouth to talk? 2 years ago in this house, Nkechi, you could not open your smelly mouth to talk. When there was no cry of a baby in this house, Nkechi, you could not open your smelly mouth to talk. Oh no, God will punish you. Oh no,
what is going on here? Mommy, what is all this shouting about this?
Money Kobilere! Can you imagine Nkechi insulting me? Nkechi wo olushi ni. Olori bushu alakori omo kata ni.
Nkechi, did you insult my mother? I beg your pardon. You heard me. What kind of question is this?
And who is asking it?
Shola. So, to help someone who does not know what she was doing, put a pamper on a baby is now an insult.
Nkechi, you are calling me an illiterate. Shola mi. Shola! What did you not see me? You allowed this woman to insult me. Nkechi, it is your father. Your father.
Nkechi, I will take every other thing from you, but not you insulting my mother.
Want her to take her wide mouth and sit on it.
How dare you say that?
What's the shouting for? Is this a marketplace or what? I started hearing your voice from the gate. Mama?
Nkechi.
Mama. Make him. No. Your husband gave me the good news and I said I would come immediately. No. That must be my grandson. Hey. Arode.
Take your hands off. Lucy, my grandson. Does this beauty looks like your crayfish so-called albino child? Can your daughter give birth to this kind of beautiful child? Show your money.
Nkechi, is this not your baby?
That baby is Shola's baby. She gave birth to twins too.
And Alfred did not tell me. Alfred!
Mama?
Why didn't you tell me?
You did not allow me put in one word. It's all about happiness. That's no problem.
All about happiness?
No problem.
Oh my dear, how are you?
Come here. Am I there? Where is that useless girl? Possibly. Will you come here before she like to scatter your face this morning? Oh no, go and pour water for me. Let me bath these children. Yes. Quick. Hey! Come on.
So what am I doing here? It seems something is wrong with you. So what have I been doing here? Admiring the passage, Come on, will you go and boil water for me? And no fear. On your mouth.
You what? Stop there. Kneel down. Where are you going?
To fetch the water.
Which water? Who sent you? Well, I give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to go and bring that water, otherwise I will show you that I'm an Ijebu woman.
Hey, come back here. Go and try it. I said try it. If Amadioha does not twist your neck, turn it right round, show you your anus, then I am not forgiving.
Hey, in-law, you are looking for my trouble this morning. Nyetani, come. Who did you just eat at? You eat at me. May Lady Mary scatter your entire lineage.
And Amadio has destroyed your generation.
Nyeni, Olori Busho nini. Ya àgbàyà òṣì. Àfiwé burúkú. Ẹni tí ò lè gbé ní ẹ̀.
What did she say?
Ó lè gbọ́.
I don't understand you.
Kò lè yé yín. Olóṣì ni ẹ.
Ó tó ń lọ́wọ́ náà ní àánú dígún. Anu ma ní nàdí ká bá gàrí ẹ̀gù ẹ̀kọ́ yẹ wà mọ́. Ìjú ẹ̀ sí ọ̀nà.
What did she say?
don't understand Igbo.
You know what she means?
Yes!
What is the meaning of this? That I cannot rest. I cannot rest in this house. I can't rest for you. What is the problem? I get it. Is it bad?
Brother, I can get it. Brother, I don't need it anymore. Brother, I don't need it.
See, common water, bath water, you want to kill yourselves. Common bath water. Shame.
Anoman.
Oloshi.
Anoman. If anything happens to that court, by the time I finish with you, Potter will be better than you. Come and keep that thing and go and give me those things. No, where are you taking those clothes? They thunder fire you. Well, if you don't drop those clothes now, that might be feed on your flesh. Oh no shit. Kemi, do you feed on trouble? Does quarreling fill your stomach? Kemi, don't let me talk to you this way. In anything new.
Those are not the clothes you kept. These are the right ones.
Do. She won't know her clothes.
Did I hear you well? What did you just say? I will twist your tongue. Give it to you to eat. Then you learn respect.
Oh, Tobe. Sorry for Toby, ya Toby alive yo, Tobe. What?
Will you say, Auntie Mommy, I tell you, I'm
Make sure nothing happens to my children. If you are finished, please come and give me a breakfast.
Go and bring food for my children. Iwo, Oloshi. Oloshi. Where? They would have given me chance. Stupid girl make food. Iwo. Oloshi. They would have given me chance.
I will deal with it.
Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred, but instead.
What do you think you're doing?
How do you mean?
You did not put this baby food there. I did. So? Shola, from what your mother is doing in this house, I don't think you should be touching my baby food.
Nkechi, how is my mother behaving?
Bambilere. Monica Bambilere. From the way your mother is behaving in this house, what did I do? Monica, answer me now.
Mama, I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, they're talking to me.
Even if she was talking to you, what are you going to do about it? You were busy calling someone a thief. Now, is it not your daughter that has stolen baby's food? Mama.
Shola has not stolen anything from my baby's food.
Oh no, she. to cause trouble.
I'm sorry. You can prepare the baby food for all the children. Okay?
Okay.
While I make our husband's breakfast.
You are here. You have to stop giving us this money together. You will start giving us money separately. Because this money thing is bringing too much insult in this house.
Yes, Papa God's power. It is time this thing stops. I'm not there.
What are you looking for?
Do you know what we'll do now? It is better you cut me into as many parts that could be enough to go around everybody in this house so that we can have peace.
My in-law, it has not gotten to that.
Instead, I will use this knife and
You can't!
I will use this knife. The husband's knife.
Because even if we use it human, you cannot do it!
When you finish with the food, you can go ahead to eat it. I'm no longer interested.
Oh, my husband.
You go be
Alfred, you see your life, just because your first wife no get a belly, because of Pekin, you go marry another one. The two of them can't get a belly at the same time. The two of them come born all at the same time. Kechi born a jima.
Brother.
Brother, Auntie Shalake could feel. I don't okay, you didn't get God's power.
But what happened?
God's power is having very high temperature.
Let them give him medicine now. Don't they have medicine to give to him?
But I don't know. She is crying. Mama Auntie Shala said they must be taken to hospital. Brother Mbogdi. Brother Mbogdi.
Go, I'm coming. Get out from here.
Brother Mbogdi.
Get out!
Alfred.
You were sleeping and my son is dying, eh? How could you be sleeping?
Can't you put yourself together? Am I the one that gave God's power fever?
Alfred, Sheko, what you lost the hospital? Come and take this boy to the hospital.
What exactly is wrong with this boy?
Is that important now? Look, Alfred, I am warning you. If you don't want my wahala, take my son to the hospital now.
You want me to enter the road at this time because God's power is running temperature? Huh?
Brother,
The water, where is the water?
Do it!
Brother, Mfunado, I think Ejike could feel. I take care, God's will is on kill.
Is something wrong with you? Huh?
Brother, she said you should come and rush them to the hospital. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
Did you hear that God's will is convulsing?
Get in it again. Oloshiare. Oniranu. God's will is convulsing because God's will is your only child. Abi, are we not the one that first of all they said they should go and call you that God's power has fever?
No
Listen, do you know the best thing to do now? Just take this boy to the car. Please, let me go and get the key. Okay? I'm coming.
Please, my grandson. My grandson, help me.
Alfred! See how you're walking.
Alfred. Help! Chimo.
What does that mean?
If my son dies, I will not forgive you. Just look at him. Look at him.
Alfred is very wicked of you. Very wicked of you. Look at your son is dying here. And you are very busy roaming about in Shola's room. Alfred, if a man want to kill you, if a man want,
what do you people want me to do?
Hell.
What do you people want me to do? To die? I can commit suicide though. I can commit suicide though. Shola has ever, her son is also sick. Which one do I do first? Which one?
Also, this child must be taken to the hospital immediately.
At this time of the night?
Okay. It will be better to wait so that we can bury him in the morning.
Don't mind him. He can afford it because he has 4 of them. He has 4 of them. You have forgotten there was a time you were begging for have a child. If a man want.
Why not be human?
Human getting. Nanya, you must go to the hospital. Chimo, naga. Chimo. Hey.
My baby. My baby.
This all of you are lined up. Is it all of you that are following me to the hospital?
Who do you want to meet tomorrow?
It's just 2 boys that is sick. Nkechi and Shola should follow me to the hospital. The rest of you stay at home and take care of other people.
Is it me you want to live in the house? By this time of the night, with this witch, you can't walk.
Ukeria, it is your great grandmother that is a witch.
And it is your own great.
Oh no, she!
Stop it! Stop it! Fight now! Kill myself here now!
Alfred, come on, open this car. My son is dying.
Come on. I said get out from there. Get out from there. Are you the first wife? Idiot. Ngwa. Badatan. Come on. Come down. Oh yeah. Go there. Enter there.
Ukeria.
Get in there.
Ukeria. It's like that madness of yours has started again. Whoa, I will remove it from your body.
You will not do anything.
You will not do
Let
me just tell you, Ukeria, you cannot kill my children. When I am ready for you. When I am ready for you, you will run away from this house.
You will not do anything.
Your daughter, could she give birth to any baby in this house? Oh no, she. You tell no genuine. You want to kill my children. You can't.
Also,
Why sitting down?
I will deal with him.
My son is dying, please.
Who they Jolo worry me?
No.
Please, Alfred.
Look at you, you are just a useless woman. It's because of you. Whoa. Okay. Nobody's going. Nobody's going.
Alfred. You say you want to be king, Alfred, but instead, my children you come get Alfred, and not be 1, and not be 2. And not be 3, now 4 you come get all at once. And not be 1,
Alfred.
And not be 2.
Alfred.
And not be 3, now 4 you get. Congratulations.
What do you think you are doing?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't sleep last night.
That was what you said 2 days ago. And that was what you said yesterday. And I'm hearing the same thing today. Look, this company is not paying you a fast salary for you to waste man hours sleeping. Look, we have our domestic problems, but if we carry it to work, nothing will get done.
I'm sorry, sir. That won't happen again.
It better not. Because if it does, you have serious questions to answer. Do you hear me? Now, where is the file I gave you this morning? Yes.
Fine.
Gloria! File. Have you forgotten?
Fine on what, sir?
Tony! Alfred, if you find it, bring it to my office.
Listen.
Caught sleeping again? Let me take you to lunch. The sleep will clear from your eye, okay?
Oh God. If I eat and drink water, another sleep will come.
Don't worry. It will clear from your eye. Let's go.
Go and get my car.
Let me help you.
Alfred, you see your life, oh, just because
Alfred.
your first wife no get a belly. Because of begin, you go marry another one. The two of them gon' get a belly. At the same time, the two of them come born all at the same time. Nkechi born Ejima, Nshola born Ibeji. 2 plus 2 equals to 4 children.
2 plates of rice and chicken.
Alfredo, how you go take do
And
Alfred,
2 glasses of pineapple juice.
Alfredo. Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred, but instead,
Why are you still tired?
children you come get, Alfred.
All I want to do now is just sleep.
I thought the nights were meant for sleep. What did you do with yours?
I need to see a man that can sleep in that my house.
How?
I have 5 women. 5 women. And 4 babies. 2 fell sick last night. All of them had to follow me to the hospital by 2 a.m.
Which of them fell sick? The women or the children?
The women are permanently sick. This is not, it's not a laughing matter now. I have to separate fight every 2 minutes between my 2 lion in-laws, mother-in-laws. My daughter, my wives now, their daughter joined them.
Wait. What are they fighting for?
Who knows? That's why it's driving me crazy. One day I will run mad in that house. I'm telling you.
Alfred, you asked for it. Now you've got it. Why did you even marry 2 women in the first place?
That one is not my fault. It's not my fault. It is the stupid quack family doctor that we have said that Nkechi will never have issue again for life. Now she had 2 babies at the time.
Which of them came first?
Huh?
I said, which of the babies came first?
Yeah, doctor said the 2 sets came out at the same time. Why are you laughing like this? You're getting stupid.
Sorry. So who is your first son?
First son?
Yes.
Jed, Eba, Eta, Ini. Gospel. God's will. God's. In fact, I don't know. I can give it to any big one.
My brother, I really need help. Let us eat first, please. Waiter, please get me the food. Hurry up. Let us eat food first. Do you think you get over it? Don't worry.
You think I can even eat?
Oh,
I'm in trouble.
you get over it. Don't worry.
Can't you pieces the rice? I mean the beef.
Oh boy. Come there.
Adigiwe. Onewegiwe na chukwu ketmofuma o. Anya bụ na ewe n'iwe n'ose akalaka chimunyelu monoga neme.
Otanduru
Iwe adigiwe.
Otanduru baje.
Onewegiwe na chukwu ketmofuma o.
Otanduru baje. Otanduru baje.
Is something wrong with you? I said, is something wrong with you, or have you gone deaf? Okay. Your madness has started again.
Ukeria, put that pot back on the fire.
Because of what? Didn't you see this pot when you came into this kitchen?
Ukeria, you are trying to cook beans. All I want to do is just to warm this soup. How many minutes will it take?
There are 4 burners on this gas cooker. Why must it be the one I'm using you want to use?
This burner is the biggest burner and the fastest. And this soup will not take more than 5 minutes.
Not until I finish.
You are too wicked. We cannot take it anywhere.
And your own will lead you to heaven. Your own will lead you to heaven.
What did you call me?
I called him Mami Water.
It is your mother.
And it is your father. That our daughters are married to the same man does not give you the right to insult me. If you try it, I will deal with you.
What will you do, Olobusha? What will you do? Who can have a second call? Hey!
Enwika, you cannot do anything. I said you can't do anything.
So that was
What do you want? What do you want me to do? Huh? What is happening again? I can't tell. Huh? Is it there?
You're okay, brother. You're okay.
You don't know. The two of you are leaving this house today and now.
No, what Jesus, sir? You are not serious.
Oh, serious, oh.
Huh? Before the two of you came to this house, we were living in peace, so we were living in peace. Now all we do is wrestle and separate fight every day in this house. So, since I don't want to turn my house into the dojo of WWF, please, they will go home and continue with their karate Shotokan training in their villages. Not here. Not here.
My mother is not going anywhere.
Neither is my mother too.
Shobo?
Fine. Good. Then I will pack out. I will pack out for you.
If my mother goes, I am saying that if my mother leaves, I and my children will go with her.
If
my mother leaves this house, I am living with her. I definitely am taking my children.
Thank you.
Shobo?
Abbas, say some. Thank you very much, God. Thank you. Very beautiful idea. Beautiful idea. I don't mind. I'm just coming in. I will take you to the nearest park and drop you there. You go home. Go and pack it. Okay, good. Since you are not packing out, I will pack out. Let's pack out. Marry yourselves. Let's pack out.
You cannot do anything.
Alfred. You say you want speaking, Alfred. But instead, then my children you come get Alfred. And no be one, and no be two, and no be three. Now for you come get all at once. No be one, yeah, and no be two, and no be three. Now for you get it. Congratulations. Alfred, you see your life? Well, I wonder how you could take do Alfred him house don't turn upside down. Na so baby food Alfred they buy. In two wives get their own wahala. In mother-in-laws want take a hand to kill themselves. Every day na so argument and fight. Alfred self himself don't tire.
Alfred.
Shebi it to say you know you forget the patient.
Alfred.
Which one is second? Please wake up.
Oh.
Wake up. It's close of work. Let's go home.
Tony.
Everybody is gone. Gloria, MD, everybody.
Tony, I can't go home.
Why? What's the matter?
I can't go home, Tony. 2 wives. 4 children. Boys. 2 mother-in-laws. My sister and myself. The market now, I can't go home, the noise will be too much.
But Alfred, you can't achieve anything sleeping in the office.
Who close, have you?
Close for the day.
Let me sleep here. I'll go late. Tell the gate man.
Alfred, come on, be a man. Let's go home. Let's go.
Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred. But instead, my children you come get Alfred. And not be one.
I mean, the federal government should do something about this. Hold-ups everywhere.
Now for you come get all at once. And not be one, yeah. And not be two, not be three. Now for you get it. Congratulations. Alfred, Alfred, you see your life, just because your first wife no get it better.
Hey! Baby girl, you are looking wonderful this morning.
Are you just noticing? I look wonderful every morning.
I see you this morning, I feel like making you my 3rd wife.
Do I look like sardine that you packing with other wives?
What do you mean? What's up?
Letter for you from the MD.
What is in it?
How am I supposed to know? Do I look like Babalawo?
Okay, might be this increment of salary I complained about the other time. For what? No, for what? Meaning what? In this office? For what now? For what? Eh? Meaning what? Nobody can do it. Nobody. For what? For what? For what? It cannot happen. Nobody can do it in this office. Nobody can do it. Eh? Nobody. Your plan cannot work.
What is that?
What is the matter?
What's the content of the letter?
Excuse me, sir. What is this? I demand an answer, sir. What's this?
And what does it say?
that I'm relieved of my duties because they are no longer required. That's a sack to me.
And that is exactly what it means, Alfred.
MD, why?
You read the letter, didn't you?
Of course I did.
So why ask me such questions?
You can't just wake up and sack somebody.
Alfred!
You can't!
Alfred! I did not sack you. Your negligence sacked you. We have been getting reports about your sleeping on duty. And we have made evaluations of your work. It is nothing to applaud. So the...
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. You can't do it.
Alfred, mind your language.
Listen, MD, listen. I have 4 babies in my house. 4 babies. Do you know how much a tin of food costs? Do you know it?
Alfred, I'd rather you don't shout in my office.
I will shout. In fact, if this case proceeds, I'm going to commit suicide. If you think I have only 4 babies in my house, I also have 2 breastfeeding women and their mothers in my house. My sister and myself. Where do you think I'm going to get the money to feed them? Where? Huh? You're sacking me.
That is hardly my business. When you are making the babies, you did not put the company in mind.
It's not your business.
It's not my business. Neither is it the company's policy to support breastfeeding babies and their mothers. Alfred, now that you have such an amount of time on your hands, it might be more profitable for you to babysit instead of sleeping in the office. Now, if you don't mind, I have a busy day on my hands.
I'm not going to leave this place. I'm not going to leave this place unless this decision is changed. Do you hear that? I said I'm not leaving this place unless your decision is rescinded. And I'm going to see what I'm going to do about it. Right now! Now!
Is that security?
Nonsense.
Please, I want you here immediately. There is a madman in my office, and I want him evacuated immediately.
Madman? It's both of us now. Meaning?
Sir, yes. Take this man out of my office. Out of this premises.
Don't touch me. Don't you... Come. Excuse... Wait. Sir, 4 children. 4 babies. MD, 4 babies.
Take him out.
Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry for this.
Alfred, you say you want Pekin, Alfred, but instead, na children you come get, Alfred, and not be 1, and not be 2, and not be 3, now 4 you come get all at once, and not be 1, and not be 2, and not be 3, now 4 you get. Congratulations. Alfred, yo. Alfred, you see your
Oh, don't worry.
Just because your first.
When did you come in? This one that you're back so early. I hope everything is all right.
Splendid. Things can't get better.
Good. Because there's something I want to ask you.
Dear Mom. Hey. I didn't know you were back.
You're welcome.
No.
Alfred, I want to ask you if I could get my housekeeping allowance a bit earlier this week. You see, there's no baby food though. The way those 2 babies are eating, I have never seen anything like it before.
Yes, so what Shola is saying is the truth. I've never seen anything like this before. The way these boys are eating this food, they can take a tin of food under 10 hours. And me, I need some money because all I have is finished.
You need more money for your baby food, eh?
More than that. We need our housekeeping allowance to be increased.
I want to ask both of you a question.
And what is that?
What do we need to buy baby food for?
Papa God's power. What kind of question is that? We have babies and they need to eat.
Yes, so they need to eat.
Do you know more?
More, Kenny.
Only more.
More. Moses in the Bible.
Only him.
Moses was brought up without the baby food, yet he led the children of Israel out of Egypt. David was not given lactogen. Yes, he was made the king of Israel. And I'm sure Jesus did not take cream. He did not take lactogen. Cerelac. Before, yet he ruled the whole world. He saved the whole world. Why must it be God's power, God's will, God's sent and God's son that will take baby food? I don't have any money for baby food.
Oh, Shekini. How can you talk like this?
What are those things on your chest?
What?
Those things on your chest.
Allah.
Breast. Bro. Breast. Thank you. These are the same thing Sarah gave to Isaac. These are the same thing Mary gave to Jesus. He ruled the whole world. And these are the same thing you are going to give my children.
Meaning what? Because you're going to be go. For me, no job. Be fast about it. Just nyem.
Maybe not David send you message, make you one plenty picking.
Wait. Don't bother.
You know what?
Don't bother.
Hey! Chineke. You may go, Biko.
Check me. Go through this. Don't mind.
What is this?
I have been sacked from the office.
Sacking. Hey! Oh no! Tito. Hey! Sacked.
Lest I forget. Don't forget to sanitize your this thing for the babies. This is the right time.
Hey, Yahweh reiti bere. Want to today oh. She has started again. No she. Aláṣọ. Iti mo ka àwọn aṣọ àwọn ọmọ mi tó dá sí. Stupid woman. Yeah, never mind them. Ya kò lè jẹ mímọ́. Èṣù lè bá mi. Mo ti rìnrìn ayé jẹ́.
Kẹ̀kọ́ yẹn alamẹ́lò nǹka.
Lémi nǹkan rí o.
Olúpa. Kẹ̀kọ́ yẹn alamẹ́lò nǹka.
Lémi léde tí a mọ̀ aláyé.
Ọ̀sọ́pọ̀ fàmù ẹ̀ whenever you mind them.
Bàbá mi olóore.
Ọ̀sọ́ fàmù ẹ̀ ọ̀sọ́ di whenever you mind them.
Bàbá mi olóore yẹn gbà mí ní lọ́wọ́ ayé.
Ọ̀sọ́ fàmù ẹ̀ whenever you mind them.
Ayé oníyọ̀.
Aya na fante na fage
Ukeria.
Ugide onwe fa.
Ukeria.
Ọ̀sọ́ di mú ẹ̀.
Ukeria. You have started this morning o.
Kemi, is something wrong with you?
Ukeria. Hey, you think you are the only mad woman around? I will show you that my madness is worse than yours. Didn't you see my clothes here before you put yours on this place?
So these lines are meant for only you to spread your clothes, eh? You see that wickedness we've been talking about? It runs in your bloodstream. I said it runs in your bloodstream, Kemi.
Oh, my own is even better. Mine is wickedness. You are just a witch. Aje buruku ni ẹ. Ìwọ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ. Aje buruku ni yín. Well, let me tell you. Your witchcraft cannot do me anything. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi korò. Èmi àti Ṣọlá ọmọ mi, ẹ jẹ́ wá kóró gan. Oh, you carry her, you are a wicked woman. You are so wicked that you even make sure that Alfred loses his job. Well, let me tell you. You are just doing it because he's afraid. You want to kill the poor boy. Because you know that your daughter did not give birth to the first children. So you want to kill him. Oh, Lepa.
There's a witch in this house. Kemi, we know who it is. But what baffles me is why Alfred does not want to open his eyes and see the kind of woman he brought into his house. But I will make sure he sees the kind of woman he brought into his house before you destroy him. Witches!
Hey! You carry her. Mind yourself! Wash your mouth, you carry her.
And if I don't watch my mouth, what will you do?
You carry her, watch your mouth, otherwise I will deal with you.
If you don't take your time, I will teach you what respect is all about. Try me.
I should try.
Try it.
You are the one that will try me, dummy wo.
I said try it.
Who carry her, dummy wo? Dummy wo, who carry her? Monica, dummy wo. Who carry her, dummy wo?
Mom. We're going to the market.
This one you are not answering. We are leaving the babies for you. I don't want to leave my grandchildren in the hands of that old fool that calls himself Mama Shola. And Weka.
How about the Kaite?
She's washing clothes. Darling, please, if my babies get hungry, their food is in there. And if they soil themselves, please, the diapers are there, you help me change them. Please, I'll see you when I come.
Brother Moko.
Don't worry me.
I have 2 feeding bottles in here and some diapers. Please, take care of my children. Mommy is escorting me to the market. And Kaiti Abikina Poruko is busy washing the children's clothes. She here.
How can I take care of 4 babies at once?
Freddy, please, just take care of the children, eh? Won't be long, we'll come back very soon.
Soon?
And why both is Ella and Jinani?
Oh, no, I'm going to go easy, let's touch your mama.
I don't know why all of you decide to come at the same time. Turning my house into Federal Boys High School. It has taken me 8 years to make the 4 of you. You are in a haste. Don't just cry, oh. Don't just cry. You better shut up because I can't do anything. I can't. What sort of madness is this? Eh?
Alfred, looks like a nursery school in here.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do with all this?
Like these 2 are hungry. And these 2 are wet. You have to change their diapers.
How do I change it?
Ask me again. Have you seen me change diapers before? Which one is God's power and which one is God's sin?
They are all God's children. God's. So I have to get a job fast.
Alfred, I think I agree with you absolutely.
I can't continue like this.
Nkechi. Nkechi. Get up, it's already morning. Get up and feed these children. Huh?
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, Kedu.
I'm not feeling fine.
What is it?
I'm running a temperature. And
you're running temperature?
I feel very heavy around the middle.
Ndo? Mayo, ndo onu. Ndo. Ndo.
It looks as if everything is turning upside down.
Oh.
And my head, as if I have cotton wool stuffed inside it.
Sorry. You must go to the hospital. This is the sign of typhoid fever. Okeba, Ajeba. Go and take your shower so you go to the hospital. Ndo.
Okay.
Get up. Don't worry, I'll take care of the babies. Take your shower. They want to try my daughter, but they can't get her. I will show them that I am engaged. They can never try my daughter. How? No.
Alfred, you say you want to be king, Alfred, but instead, my children you come get, Alfred, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three. Now four you come get all at once, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three. Now four you get. Congratulations.
What is it?
Alfred.
The postman brought this yesterday. And I wanted to tell you that I've been feeling very feverish since yesterday morning.
Feverish? What have you taken?
Nothing. I thought it is wise for me not to take anything since I'm breastfeeding until I see my doctor.
Go and see him today now.
I'll see him this morning. I don't even like the way I'm feeling at all. I don't.
Abasi. Hey!
Abasikini. What is it?
My mother is coming in here on Monday to see her grandchildren.
Your what?
My mother.
Hey.
I should be asking you, lady. You tell me.
You're the doctor now.
Yeah.
Excuse me, doctor. Here's the file.
All right.
Nkechi, what are you doing here?
My sister, I came to see the doctor. And you?
Well, now so we say I'm with my sister.
Ladies, Your husband must be told immediately.
What is wrong with you?
And you?
What is wrong with you?
Hello? Hello?
It's Goswell. Dr. Goswell.
Oh, doctor. How are you?
We will need your attention here immediately.
My attention? What is it, doctor?
Yes, your two wives are here. Something came up and we think you need to know.
Something like what?
No, it's not what we're discussing for. Yeah.
Okay, I will be there right away. I will be there.
Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred, but instead, my children, you come get Alfred, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three, now four you come get all at once, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three, now four you
Alfred,
get.
welcome.
Congratulations.
August, we welcome.
Let me call one of these nurses.
No, don't worry. What happened? What is the problem?
You see, I don't know how this happened, but I ran tests on your wife and discovered that Nkechi here is pregnant.
Nkechi?
Yes.
You're pregnant? Hey! Why? Why must I be pregnant? You want to kill me?
It's alright, it's alright.
Doctor!
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And I also discovered that Shola is pregnant too.
Abasuma. Why? What's the meaning of this? Why? For God's sake!
Ẹ gbà mí o. Ṣé obìnrin máa ń fra wọn lóyún ni? Ah! Now we do am.
For God's sake! Somebody delivered 4 months ago. Why would you be pregnant for God's sake?
Please.
Hey!
That is not even the major problem. The problem now is that we did the scan and found out that both women are carrying twins.
Twins?
Yes,
Tukini.
twins.
Doctor.
Doctor!
Yes, twins.
Doctor! And you allow it? Why?
Look,
you allow them?
Please, what is the...
You allow twins?
Calm
You will not do it again!
down. What is... It's okay. Be a man.
Doctor! Alfred! Doctor, please! Alfred! Please come to us! Something come somebody now! Doctor, please!
It's alright, calm down. There's no problem.
Alfred, you say you want speaking, Alfred, but instead, my children, you come get Alfred, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three, now four you come get all at once, and not be one, and not be two, and not be three, now four you get. Congratulations. Alfred, Alfred, you see your life, just because your first wife no get it belly, because of begin, you go marry another one. The two of them gon' get it belly at the same time. The two of them gon' born all at the same time. Nkechi born ejima. Inshallah Bonnie Beji, 2 + 2 equals to 4 children. Oh, Alfred, oh, how you go take to Alfred? Alfred, 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 Alfredo, Alfred, Alfred, Alfred. You say you want